Want to sound even more like a native Thai speaker? In this video, we'll continue with Affair the Series Episode 1, breaking down key phrases you won't want to miss. Stick around until the end to take your Thai to the next level. Let's get started.
ทุกคนคะทุกคนคะ
Means everyone or all people and is used in Thai to politely address a group of people.
ทุกทุก
This means every or all.
คนคน
In Thai is a versatile word that can have various meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a person or people. Additionally, it can be used to designate nationality or ethnicity, similar to the suffix "n" in English. For instance,
คนไทย
means Thai person. It is also used as a classifier for counting people. For example,
สามคน
means 3 people. Additionally, as a verb, it means to stir or to mix.
คะ
A polite particle used by female speakers to make the sentence or statement sound more respectful and gentle.
ทุกคนคะทุกคนคะ
เก่งมากลูก เก่งมากลูก
Means well done, my child, or good job, my child.
เก่งเก่ง
Means good at or skilled at and
มาก
intensifies it, meaning very or a lot.
ลูกลูก
This word means child or my child. It's an affectionate term that parents or guardians often use when addressing their children. It is also used as a numerical classifier for children, round fruits, balls, medium-sized hard round objects, and storms.
เก่งมากลูก เก่งมากลูก
ไม่เกินไปเลยค่ะไม่เกินไปเลยค่ะ
Means not too much at all, or it's not excessive at all.
ไม่ไม่
This means not and is a common negation in Thai.
เกินเกิน
This means to exceed. It is often used to indicate something that goes beyond a normal or acceptable level.
ไปไป
Generally means to go, but when paired with,
เกิน
it emphasizes the idea of something being too much or over the top.
เลยเลย
This word can have multiple uses depending on the context. Here, it serves as an intensifier, meaning at all in negative sentences.
ไม่เกินไปเลยค่ะไม่เกินไปเลยค่ะโอ๊ยคุณเจ็บหรือเปล่าเจ็บสิโอ๊ยโอ๊ยคุณเจ็บหรือเปล่าเจ็บสิ
The question means, are you hurt or does it hurt? And the response means, yes, it hurts.
คุณคุณ
Means you.
เจ็บเจ็บ
Means to hurt, to be hurt or in pain.
หรือเปล่าหรือเปล่า
Is a common question particle in Thai used to form yes-no questions. It functions similarly to the English phrase or not, or is it, at the end of a question, which gives the speaker the expectation of either a positive or negative answer.
หรือ
This word translates to, or, which in this context helps set up the choice of yes or no.
เปล่า
In this case, it adds the meaning of not or nothing.
ซี่ซี่
This is an emphatic particle used to assert certainty or emphasize agreement, akin to of course or definitely.
คุณเจ็บหรือเปล่า เจ็บสิ คุณเจ็บหรือเปล่า เจ็บสิ ล้อเล่น ล้อเล่น
This phrase means just kidding or joking in Thai.
ล้อ ล้อ
Means to tease in this phrase, but in other contexts, it can also mean wheel or serve as a classifier for counting wheels.
เล่น เล่น
This means to play together.
ล้อเล่น
Literally means to joke around or to play in a teasing way and is used much like just kidding in English.
ล้อเล่น ล้อเล่น แต่จริงๆมันรักกันไม่ได้ แต่จริงๆมันรักกันไม่ได้
Means, but in reality, they can't love each other.
แต่ แต่
Means, but,
จริง
really or in reality. This adds emphasis, meaning that the following statement is true or in fact the case.
ๆ มัน มัน
Primarily means it or they, and is used to refer to animals, inanimate objects, or sometimes impersonal subjects. In casual conversations among close friends, can refer to a person, but using it in this way can sound impolite. It's best avoided in formal situations or with people you don't know well.
รักกัน รักกัน
Means love each other. This combines the verb
รัก
meaning to love with,
กัน
which means each other in this context.
ไม่ได้ ไม่ได้
Cannot or not able to. This negates the verb, indicating that the action, in this case, loving each other, is not possible.
แต่จริงๆมันรักกันไม่ได้ แต่จริงๆมันรักกันไม่ได้ ทำไมอ่ะ เพราะว่ามันเป็นพี่น้องกัน ทำไมอ่ะ เพราะว่ามันเป็นพี่น้องกัน
Why? Because they are siblings.
ทำไม ทำไม
Means why.
อ่ะ อ่ะ
Is commonly added to the end of sentences to make the statement or question sound softer and more casual. It doesn't significantly change the meaning of the sentence, but gives it a more informal tone, which makes the speech sound more natural and less blunt. This particle is often used in spoken Thai, especially in relaxed, everyday conversations. However, it's important not to overuse it as it might make the speech sound overly informal.
เพราะว่า เพราะว่า
Means because.
มัน มัน
Means it or they, referring to the subjects in the conversation.
เป็น เป็น
Translates to be in English, but its usage is specific to certain contexts. It's used to describe identity, roles, professions, nationalities, or characteristics, and it always connects the subject with a noun or noun phrase. Unlike English, it is not used with adjectives. In contrast, for location or existence, for example, to say, he is in the room, you would use
อยู่
instead of.
เป็น
And for definitions or explanations, for example, to say, this is a book, you'd use
คือ พี่น้องกัน พี่น้องกัน
means siblings or brother and sister, literally older and younger sibling together.
ทำไมอ่ะ เพราะว่ามันเป็นพี่น้องกัน ทำไมอ่ะ เพราะว่ามันเป็นพี่น้องกัน
That's all for today. We'll continue from here in the next video. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments, and don't forget to like the video. See you there.